How to back up Samsung Notes. Are you using Samsung Notes to store your important information? If yes, then have you imagined what would happen if all that important data gets lost? Well, that would be a critical situation, but it can be resolved. In this video, I, John Doe, will show you how you can back up Samsung Notes in multiple ways. But before diving into detailed steps, hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for the latest solutions and updates on our channel. Part 1. Back up Samsung Notes to Samsung Cloud. As many of you are familiar with Samsung Cloud, which is a cloud storage solution, now let us clarify that it is available for all Samsung devices. It is an easy and seamless backup, sync and restore solution that gives you a free online space of 15 gigabytes to save your notes, photos, music or anything else. To know how you can back up Samsung Notes to the Samsung Cloud, see and follow this stepwise method. Step 1. Open your Samsung Notes and tap 3 bars from the top left side. Now touch this settings icon from the top and enter your Notes settings. Step 2. From there, activate the sync with Samsung Cloud option if it wasn't activated before. Then press this whole option to get the Samsung Notes sync screen. Step 3. Finally, make sure this option is turned on and you can see how much notes data is synced and when it was last synced from there. Afterwards, you can tap on the sync now option to sync the Samsung Notes data in real time. Now, if you want your data to be synced with Wi-Fi or with mobile data as well, simply tap the sync using option from here and choose Wi-Fi only or Wi-Fi or mobile data option. Part 2. Back up Samsung Notes to PC via Smart Switch. Another way to back up Samsung Notes is through the Smart Switch app, which is a dedicated tool for moving Samsung data to external media storage devices. You can get this application on your Windows and Mac devices for seamlessly transferring contacts, notes, messages, music, and videos across devices. If you are curious to learn how it works, let us show you in detailed steps. Step 1. First of all, you have to install and launch the Smart Switch app on your PC or MacBook. To start, connect your Samsung computer with a USB cable. As you have just started the process, you have to allow the required permissions. For this, tap Continue and use the Allow button on your smartphone. Step 2. Now, let's move to our computer and choose the backup. As you can see, the backup items here, hit the Select All option. Or you can select the items one by one, such as Samsung Notes, then continue with the OK button and wait for your computer to finish your phone backup. Step 3. When the backup is done, your PC or MacBook screen will show a confirmation completion message. So click OK and your process of backing up your Samsung Notes will end here. Part 3. Back up Samsung Notes via Share. Frankly speaking, not all users can meet the hardware requirements for using the Smart Switch Samsung app. That's why we bring another potential solution to back up Samsung Notes. It's quite an easier one because it's a native solution where no additional installations and complexities are involved. However, you can seamlessly export your notes to another location. So stop wondering how and see the method here. Step 1. Go to your Samsung Notes app and force touch on your notes to select them. Then you can see the share icon here at the bottom. Step 2. Tap on it and find several options to share notes, such as Samsung Notes file, PDF file, Microsoft Word file, etc. Now select one export option. For instance, we choose PDF file. Step 3. As we choose this option, the export process gets started. Lastly, select the method through which you want to share the notes PDF files to keep a backup of your Samsung Notes. Part 4. Back up Samsung data with MobileTrans. If you are still unable to back up Samsung Notes as desired, then you should go for an ultimate solution named Wondershare MobileTrans. The reason is that it can create a backup of Samsung files to a PC and ensure that everything important to you is backed up. It can even restore deleted WhatsApp data to all Android brands, including Samsung. Another surprising thing is that it allows you to back up more than 18 types of data, such as contacts, phones, messages, PDF files, voicemails, and a lot more. Moreover, your original data will remain the same during backup and restoration processes. It's easy to operate, and unlike iCloud or Google Drive, you can choose which data to back up or restore. Anyhow, let's perform the Samsung Notes backup processing. Step by step, remove any potential confusion that you might face. Step 1. Before starting, install Wondershare MobileTrans on your computer and ensure you get the latest version. After that, launch it on your device and access the Backup and Restore tab from its main interface. Now, you will get the Backup and Restore toolkit previewed on the MobileTrans screen. From this, you have to press the Backup button from the Phone Backup and Restore section. Step 2. Afterward, connect your Samsung smartphone with your computer using the original USB cable. MobileTrans will load all the supported data from your smartphone, which you can select by checking their respective boxes. Here you can check the Notes box to back up Samsung Notes. Once you are done choosing the data, hit the Start button. Step 3. Now wait for a while and keep your Samsung device connected until the backup is complete. Lastly, you can see what's backed up by using the Restore option from the MobileTrans backup file. The closing thoughts? That's it, folks. We have reached the end of the discussion, and as promised, I have shown you how to back up Samsung Notes in multiple ways. I hope you've learned to back up Samsung Notes through those simple steps. If this video proves valuable for you, don't forget to press the like and subscribe button to stay tuned for the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and yes, see you next time with another tech related solution.